I love jewelry because it's my passion. When I was 13 years old, I was introduced in my uncle's factory on 47th Street. I always wanted to become a dentist actually because I fell in love with the tools. My other uncle used to be a dentist. So that got me very interested in the jewelry. I loved and I fell in love with the tools because I love art. I love creating and I love it with my passion. Trust is very important for me. Every single customer is treated as one. And this is for me very important. Service and trust is extremely important. J&J Diamonds is located in 219 Walt Whitman Road, Huntington Station, New York 11746. It's located right across the street from Walt Whitman Mall. This is an amazing experience and you will see it for yourself. No words can explain it. All you have to do is come on down and see it and check it out for yourselves.